Hi, I'm Matt Crane, the Sales Director here at Prosperon Networks. Today I'm excited to invite you to our SolarWinds Alerting Masterclass workshop that we'll be hosting in London. In this workshop we'll be teaching you how to supercharge your SolarWinds alerting skills with our hands-on masterclass training. Attend this workshop to learn how to overcome common alerting challenges such as false positives, alert storms, process workflows and alert ownership. You'll discover how to improve alerting efficiencies and performance by fine-tuning alerts using custom properties, groups and dependencies, thresholds and complex conditions. This will be taken further by exploring how to automate alert responses to resolve issues faster, and how to enhance alert workflows by integrating SolarWinds with third-party IT systems and tools. This is a classroom-style workshop which will be led by our two senior SolarWinds engineers, Mark Roberts, our Technical Director and SolarWinds MVP, and Raul Gonzalez, our Technical Manager. We are also very excited to announce that each attendee will have the opportunity to discuss their own alerting challenges or other issues they're experiencing with their SolarWinds platform in one-to-one sessions with our engineers. I hope you can join us on Friday the 22nd of March at the Amba Hotel, Charing Cross, London. I look forward to seeing you there.